Hello, and welcome to another update video about TRB. So TRB faced quite a dramatic sell-off yesterday. It doesn't look dramatic really here on the price chart, but it was actually, I mean, price-wise, we're talking about like 40%, yeah. So, but it doesn't look so dramatic here on the logarithmic chart just because of those crazy extensions that we've seen and how much this price has already rallied. So we haven't broken support. The support level never changed from our last video. In fact, it actually generated a profitable trade since the market or the price hit our support and trend reversal area here at $96 on, I think it was the 2nd of November, so just a week ago. The price did move actually like 50%. So it was very successful. However, it started to break down again. Shows you the importance of moving stop losses. And, you know, typically with these movements, when you see these breakdowns, stop losses are highly useful to protect some capital. Now, the situation is the stop never broke, or the support never broke, I should say. Yeah, because ideally, when the market then moves up, especially 50%, you want to secure some of the profits or move up your stop loss if you used that box as a setup. So that sharp decline, however, doesn't really fit ideally into the picture. So it's not problematic yet. It could just be that this wave 4 unfolded as a flat structure and expanded flat. But I can tell you that below $72, I mean, I would say already when we break out of this price channel, to be honest, we already start to have a problem. A break below $72, however, which is the 50% retracement level and the relevant support for this price structure to move higher, yeah, it will lose its impulsive character below $72. And then I would have to assume that we're coming down at least to $36 to $50. $36 will be the key pivot point then, because if we break below micro support, which is at $72, then I will have to assume that wave 3 already topped. Okay, and if that is the case, then support in wave 4 is down here between $36 and $50. And if we break below 36, well, then it topped in an ABC and then good night, because then we might even head below $7. Okay, sounds ridiculous right now, but I'm just saying what the levels are, highlighting the relevant pivots. So at the moment, I still give it a chance to move a little higher from here, but that move down, even though it didn't break our support, it is not ideal for this structure. So it's just a warning, okay? And I felt the need to update you about that. So be careful. This could still be used as a setup, but obviously with that breakdown now, it has reduced in likelihood of working out because it doesn't look great. You know? A wave down, okay, overshooting B wave, fine. C wave down. Could still do some wild movements of here, but I think we have better setups that, especially last few days, we had better setups that show lower risk, because TRB is not really a clearly impulsive chart. It's one that's always heavily requested because it's moved a lot. But we're not dealing here with a 1-2 setup, so we're dealing with a wave 3-4. Those are never really great setups. The best setups are basically the 1-2 setups that we cover. We had quite a few recently. LDO, CFX, you know. What else did we have? VAI was one, or is one that's now active. There are quite a few. BLZ, and there are more. You know, I'm just highlighting a few, and there will be more coming. But a wave 3-4 is never really clear, because it can always be that a coin tops or a chart tops in 3 waves, which is basically a corrective structure. So yeah, just be aware of the relevant levels. I mean, next support is here the ascending trend line of the trend channel. Then we've got $82 and $72. Below 72, again, the $50 level is going to be key, but 36 is really main support. So below 72, the wave count changes, and then the area here in yellow will be relevant. Okay, that's my update about TRB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.